Okay, I wanted to share a recap that I was speaking with. So, ended up putting my horn over here, and this horn got wet when I had it over on this side of the rubber flap because the rubber flap goes here. So we're doing it on the inside of the rubber flap. We might cut back on the sound, but I put in a 40 amp relay and a bus bar. And then I ran my wires over to the wire, actually, over to the fuse box made by, it's a Marines rated fuse box. It's got 12 hot leads and 12 ground leads. The ground I ran to the winch ground. My winch controller solenoid relay is here, and the remote is here. That was all on a previous video. I screwed this down to the frame with two stainless sheet metal and smaller sheet metal screws to the frame here, self tappers. I put a 30 amp flat fuse just like this right in line with hot. So, oh, by the way, this relay is only energized with, I used the hot lead that was on the blue connector down here somewhere underneath all this as the trigger. But then I pick up the power from the winch line. So as you can see, covers up the front really nicely. Keep your electrical dry. And maybe cut some heat out of the cap maybe. And then when you're going ahead and want to wash this area out, you can just take the hood off. And that's what I'm going to do next. This is a lot of dust from Hatfield and McCoy, Dust City. And I got the dust laying in here that I tried to wash out from the other side, but it didn't work very well, did it? The reason I did all the electrical was because I added a backup camera, and it's hooked to my backup lights. It's manual. This is an automotive style backup camera that I put it behind the key, and then it should turn on. It takes positive reverse light type wire to energize the display that you want. Now, without that, you're going to get a display like this, or you can change it to a side-by-single or a side-by-side display, but my forward camera is blocked right now. So what I did is, I'll show you. I'll put these switches in. Got turn signal, left and right, front and back, and forward and backward. Running lights, the turn signals override, they're all part of the lamp. So when I throw this to the left, then I get this display with the lines. Now I can change this. This is a G850 Wolf box from Amazon. I can change the little wide angle item. I'll try and see which way I like better. But I've mounted this, tapped into the reverse lights. Like I said, they're combo, very bright. And here's the camera. I just double face taped it to the wheel. And yeah, looks a little crooked to me, but anyway, it's to the wheel. And then if I get it flat, I'll just go ahead and remove the camera and shove it back through the hole. So that's how that works. Now I did the